All right, so we're back, and really quick, I just want to show you something about the audio processing or how to sample something, okay? So I'm bringing in this drum beat loop that comes with the program. How fantastic. And I'm going to put one on. Let me hear how long it is. Okay, 1 bar. Okay, 1 bar. Listen to this. Okay, and the reason it's doing that is because it's not set to the BPM that's suggested or recommended for this drum pattern. Okay, so I'm going to go here. I'm going to draw it in. Okay, again, it's not the beats per minute that they would recommend for this sample, and that's okay, because maybe I don't need the whole sample, and if I do, then maybe I would start with this sample and then I would adjust the BPM to match a sample. We'll do that in the next video, but this is a really quick video just to show you something really quickly. So I'm going to click on Jungle and I'm going to push play, and I'm going to modify the sound. Okay, so I'm cutting off the end. What if I only wanted the kick, just the kick from this sample? Okay, there you go. Right, and every time I started it over, it would give me that kick. Okay, if I had left the whole sample, listen, it's like overlapping each other. Okay, I don't want that. I actually want to just use just the kick, which is the first part of that sample. Okay, so let's say I didn't want the whole sample. I would go to here, the beginning, and I would cut off only what I wanted. Let's go. I would cut off what I didn't want, right? So let's see that. I'm going to go here. Let's hit play. Can I lower that down a bit? Okay, too much. Okay, let's hear it. Okay, now if you notice, it's only playing a part of the sample. So listen. The same part over and over. What if I only wanted that kick instead of the first kick? Okay, fine. Then I'll come here and I'll cut off everything else. Oops. And I'll leave just that kick. So now let's hear what I have. Now, if you hear it's a little delayed and it's not starting right where I want it to start, right? I can go here, but this is not the problem for this instance. If you take a deeper look here, you'll see that this doesn't start right at the beginning of the sound. It's a little off in the beginning. I want to get this right to the beginning so that as soon as it hits, I get the full impact of the instrument. Listen. See? No more delay. One, right on the one. Before it was like one, one. So it was kind of fading in because I didn't cut the sample properly. Sampling can be challenging, but in this program, it makes your life so much easier because you can trial and error so much quicker here than in some of the other programs. So I really love this feature in this program. Okay, so now you understand how to sample. You take anything off the internet, off of anywhere. I recommend using Audacity to take the whole thing down. If you have a 3-minute song, you just want to focus on like a 2-bar part, I would go to Audacity first. You can find a link for that in the description. But once you got your sample in here, and you'll be buying samples or finding free samples online, and you'll be able to bring them into your program and cut them up and use the parts that you want to create the music that you love. So this is a great feature, and it's for sampling and cutting samples in LMMS. Hope you enjoyed that. Hope it was helpful. Talk to you next video. Peace.